Hello viewers. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best carpet deodorizer powder in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Folex Instant Carpet Spot Remover. This is the product for when you don't feel like carrying out deep cleaning and just want to remove a stain or spill. It comes in a spray bottle that allows you to apply it specifically to one spot. This product works well as every other all-purpose cleaner and deodorizer works. It is very easy to use as all you need to do is apply the product to the spot of stain and scrub it. This product can also be used on upholstery, furniture fabrics, and even rugs. This product is multi-purpose and is not limited to cleaning carpets only. Number 2. Our second best pick is Arm & Hammer Carpet Odor Eliminator. Sometimes your vacuum cleaner, even the one with a HEPA filter, may find it hard to remove some tough stains. That is why you need this Arm & Hammer Carpet Odor Eliminator. Not only does this product eliminate stains and odor, it also lifts up to 25% more dirt, dust, stains, and pet hairs when vacuuming than if you vacuumed without it. It removes pet stains and tracks in mud effectively and ensures that they do not resurface. This product has baking soda as its main ingredient, which furthermore increases its efficiency, making it capable of removing even smoke odors and mold buildup. Number 3. Our third best pick is BUBBAS Super Strength Commercial Enzyme Cleaner. This is a great carpet deodorizer, especially for people with pets that keep soiling the carpet. This is a non-toxic product that is suitable to use around kids, pets, and people with allergies. This powder works by releasing a dominant bacteria that set into action the moment it comes in contact with enzymes of your pet's messes. It attacks these enzymes straight from the root, making sure to remove each and every one of them totally, a feature that is rare among deodorizing powders. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Arm & Hammer Extra Strength Odor Eliminator for carpet and room. This is a carpet cleaning solution, as well as a deodorizer powder. This product uses baking soda as its main ingredient, and we all know the potency of baking soda as a cleaning and odor combat agent. Thus this makes Arm & Hammer Odor Eliminator one of the best carpet deodorizer powders. This product attacks foul smells that might have settled in your carpet, replacing them with a floral-like scent, which is very refreshing. This powder also lifts up more than 25% of dirt and grime that might be embedded in your carpet, making the process of vacuuming a whole lot easier and more effective than if you were to vacuum without using the powder. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Capture Carpet Dry Cleaner Powder. When accidents like a coffee spill or your pet have a bladder accident or stain from your carpet just exposed, this is your best bet for dealing with such. Unlike shampooing, where the stain tends to resurface after a while, this product removes stains permanently. This product is totally the opposite of wet cleaners, which adds moisture to your carpet, which can cause serious damage to your carpet. With this carpet cleaner powder, you can wave goodbye to tough carpet stains because not only does it remove stain and odor, it also removes moisture, which causes mold growth and even bacteria buildup. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.